In January of 2008, Sweetwater Sound completed its new $35 million corporate headquarters in Fort Wayne, Indiana. In April of the following year, this building was awarded LEED Platinum certification by the United States Green Building Council. LEED refers to Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. This award, the first to be given to a commercial building in the state of Indiana, recognizes Sweetwater's commitment to preserve natural resources and to provide a safer, healthier workplace for its employees. To accomplish these goals, Sweetwater has employed a combination of state-of-the-art technology, the use of rapid renewal materials, and recycling during building construction and in day-to-day operations. Built on a 44-acre campus, Sweetwater's 150,000-square-foot facility houses offices, a retail store, a warehouse, recording studios, a performance theater, and the Sweetwater Academy of Music. The building also includes a restaurant, an arcade, and an employee fitness center. LEED certification of the Sweetwater facility was based on a number of environmentally friendly design and construction features that have positively impacted the building itself, the local community, and the region.
To achieve certification, a company needs to validate points in 6 different categories. Those 6 categories are sustainable site, water efficiency, energy and atmosphere, materials and resources, indoor environmental quality, and innovation and design.
A portion of the Sweetwater campus was an older building. When parts of it were demolished, 98% of total waste materials, including concrete, wood, glass, plastic, and various metals, were recycled. Careful consideration was taken in the selection of building materials to ensure that a certain percentage of recycled content would be used throughout the project. Carpet, fabric, steel, and other miscellaneous metals are a few of the materials throughout the complex that contain recycled content, contributing to an overall recycled percentage of 31.4%. The building features a white roof membrane that is highly reflective, therefore reducing solar heat gain. Insulation was also added to the roof to increase energy efficiency. Rapidly renewable materials were chosen for the project whenever possible, including products derived from plants that are typically harvested within a 10-year cycle or shorter, including cork, bamboo, pine, and oakan wood. Low-emitting materials, those which release zero or negligible pollutants into the environment, were used with the intention to eliminate indoor air contaminants that are odorous, irritating, or harmful to the comfort and well-being of the occupants. Of the project's building materials, 44% have been extracted, harvested, recovered, or manufactured within 500 miles of the project site, including structural steel, stone cladding, drywall, insulation, and doors. Recycling stations are located throughout the facility. Shredded paper and cardboard boxes are also reused as packing materials for shipping equipment to customers. Recycling of paper, metals, cardboard, and plastics reduces the need to tap virgin natural resources. Sweetwater's restrooms employ water conservation strategies that amount to a 54% savings in annual water usage, reducing the burden on municipal water supply and wastewater systems. Waterless urinals, low-flow, light-powered faucets with occupant sensors, and dual-flush toilets all contribute to water savings. Exterior windows and skylights throughout the building allow for the controlled admission of natural light, with the intent of reducing or eliminating electric lighting. Utilizing sunlight creates a stimulating and productive environment for employees and visitors. 80% of the rooms in the building have access to daylight. Insulated heat-treated glass is used on the east, south, and west building faces to reduce solar heat gain and to limit the cooling loads placed on the building's mechanical systems. Texturing on the glass reduces glare and improves the comfort of building occupants. Sensors have been installed throughout the building to respond to natural light levels, allowing for both adequate lighting and efficient use of electricity. In some instances, occupancy sensors detect the presence of individual users, automatically turning lights on or off as necessary. In other cases, the lights simply dim as the sensors respond to the building's natural light levels. Prior to occupancy, the air in the building was flushed out to reduce or eliminate harmful vapors and toxins that may have been present during the construction process. Air monitoring systems, designed to help sustain employee health and comfort, are integrated into the building's mechanical system. This system has been designed to regulate indoor air quality, introducing fresh air as necessary to flush out any contaminants that may be present in the building. And the entire campus, inside and out, is designated tobacco smoke-free. During off-peak hours and overnight, storage tanks produce ice for the mechanical system's cooling needs, reducing overall power consumption and the load on the utility grid. Annual energy savings will offset the cost of this system within 5 years.
We had two key partners on this project. The first was our architect, engineering, and interior design firm, MSKTD & Associates. They're located right here in Fort Wayne, and they did a fabulous job of helping us to come up with great and innovative ideas to create a really unique building that is very, very sustainable and very, very energy efficient. The second of our partners was Corporate Construction. Out of Auburn, Indiana, they were our construction managers and did a lot of the construction on the project themselves. Corporate Construction was particularly helpful with holding all of the subcontractors accountable to achieve the goals that we had set forward for them to really make this a unique building and to hit all of the points for LEED certification. I'd highly encourage anyone who's beginning a construction project, whether it's a renovation or a new construction project, to go through the LEED steps. Going through this process really does create some out-of-the-box thinking and will allow you to potentially come up with wonderful ideas that you can implement in your building, even if you don't decide at the end to pursue the certification process.